Hello amigos, this is Nihalika and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, so without any further delay, let's dive into our video. In the previous video, I told you that how making few changes in our diet can help our mental health. In the process, I've met many experts of the field, and also I've read many articles starting from 1980s and all. So when I was thoroughly going through all the facts I've collected, and when I was arranging them in order, I understood that before we inculcate good habits, we need to eliminate the bad habits we actually have and bad food habits we actually have. And amongst the foods we need to eliminate, there are many products that we consume on daily basis. Studies have even found that sticking to a healthy diet can help you with symptoms of depression and anxiety. When you actually stick to a diet of healthy food, you are actually setting up yourself for a few mood fluctuations and also an overall happier outlook and an improved ability to focus. In fact, poor diet can actually lead to stress. One of the biggest mental and physical health impairments is due to processed food. These foods are high in flours and sugars and train the brain to crave more of them. Our bodies are always prepared for fasting conditions. That's the reason fat is formed. There are two important reasons why our brain is readily taking up the processed and junk foods. And the one is processed food and fast food, they are mostly of simple carbohydrates which are easier to convert into fats. When compared to the hard work our body puts in to metabolize these complex carbohydrates like fruits and vegetables, it really takes less effort for our body to convert these junk and processed foods into fats. And obviously, like any one of us, our brain chooses easier tasks. And the second reason is the processed foods we eat are highly addictive and also activate dopamine centers in our brain, which is generally associated with pleasure and reward. And so, to stop craving for those unhealthy foods, we have to stop eating those foods. Because of the already processed food we are consuming, the metabolism slows down. Both the mental and physical pathophysiology slows down, because of which we become lazy and also fatigued. This slowdown physiology doesn't let us deal with stressful conditions and also hinders with the basic analytical process, which explains few of the symptoms of depression and anxiety. You actually start to change the physiology in the brain when you stop eating these added sugars and refined carbohydrates. Junk food consumption may increase the risk of psychiatric distress and also violent behaviors in children and adolescents. In this video, we have understood that quitting the junk food is the first and foremost thing we have to do to improve our mental health. And we also understood one of the reasons why brain is addicted or depending upon fast and processed foods, that is easy metabolism. And for knowing the neurophysiology of why the junk food is producing dopamine or activating dopamine centers, stay tuned for the second part of this video. So in that video, I'll also be telling the healthy replacements for the food, and do wait for the second part of the video. And for now, please do like, share and subscribe, and do hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload the next part. Bye bye, take care.